M0FXB. So here we are on a couple of systems. We've got Pi-Star system here using the DV Mega hotspot. Very nice looking hotspot made by Carl at DV Mega. Has all the live data coming through. We also have the ICOM ID-51. And on the A band, I know it's not the clearest picture on the 51, but on the A band we have my All-Star node, and on the B band we have my hotspot with the Raspberry Pi 3B running the Pi-Star system, but the screen design is made by DV Mega. Now here we have what they call Hamshack Hotline. So I think quite a few people have not heard of this system. It's basically a business internet phone that is using, I don't know, the hardware of the phone, I suppose, and the software created by Hamshack Hotline to link into the Asterisk system. That's pretty much how I will try and describe it. So here we are, and I've added my own screen background. They do have an original one from Hamshack Hotline. So let's just try and connect to one. So we've got Freestar here. The way this works is that you apply to hamshackhotline.com for your own number, and then they do all the hard work of connecting to RF links, gateways, individual users, and so much more. It receives messages, and it's Wi-Fi. So there's no Ethernet cable at the moment, but there could be, because there's an Ethernet connector there. Also, even here, if you look, I'm even powering my jumbo hotspot using the USB out that is on the phone device. It's called the CISCO 525G, and they can buy them for about £30 in the UK. So if we hit Freestar, and that'll get us into that system.
5, 6, 1, 6, 7, 8 connected.
There you go. And there's no one talking now, but if we wanted to talk, we would go *99 and then we would talk. You have a mute button here, better to keep that on all the time and turn it off when you're not talking, and then when we finish talking you push #. So let's end that one for now, and then we'll go DV Scotland.
Welcome to DV Scotland multi-mode network. DV Scotland, bridging the gap between analog and digital amateur radio communications. www.dvscotland.net.
There you go. Okay, so we'll leave that logged in. Now we'll look at the setup with the ID-51, which is pretty much be the same system if you had any D-Star radio, I would say. So all you would do is, if we just go to single receive here on the 51, now we're in what they call the DR system. And if we want to change reflector, at the moment we're on reflector 1 Charlie. Use reflector. Go to link to reflector. And let's do direct input, because we're going to choose a new one. Let's just choosing one at random, reflector 32 Charlie. Hopefully that one does work. So link, and now look at both screens here. Hopefully, just zoom in a bit. And I shall key the mic and turn the volume up so you can hear what it does. So you can see there, the hotspot's there. Changing screen.
Link to REF032 Charlie.
There you are. And I don't even know if that reflector gets used. Now, the best way to find activity for reflectors and even for Hamshack Hotline, we shall show you now. So I know it's just me pointing at the screen with my phone, but dstarusers.org. Now, it does go fast. So I did key up, so somewhere there should be M0FXB on 32. But it goes so fast, you can freeze this, and also it needs to refresh as well. So if you're looking for activity, go here, look, there's one here, look, reflector 69. We could go to 69, and fingers crossed, there'll be some activity there. And as you go down through, you can see everyone using all the different reflectors. So there is activity out there, you just got to look for it. Now, regarding Hamshack Hotline, so just the main homepage is just literally go, Hamshack Hotline, and you'll get to this page. Now, activity-wise, I tend to look at, it's got so many windows open here. This one here, which is conference bridges. So you can put in these numbers, and these are active RF links at the moment. And, oh, it's gone blank there. It's quite a new system, but it's been around a couple of years, but it's starting to build now. Right, that's better. And you have individual users as well. If we try and go back, if we go here, we can put in UK there and do a search. And then you'll get all these UK users. Many call signs I would recognize on here. So that's just the UK. And then you go USA. Let's try that. USA. We'll hit that. Probably better if we just put in the USA call signs. Probably get a better search because there's lots of USA. Let's put K in, and then look, loads. It goes on. I mean, look at it. We're here at the top, and we've got to go all the way down. So it's thousands. So you get the idea. And then looking for activity. Again, go to services, and these are the links. We've got bridges, RF links here. Lots of RF links there. Services, BLF bridges. I think that was the one we had. Takes a few seconds to pop back to that one. Let's go back here. Let's try BLF calls. There's me there. LinkedIn, just showing people that are linked in. There you go. And we'll do it in the USA. It's the middle of the night, so you're not going to get much. And even here in the UK, it's still early in the morning. But okay, that's that one for you. Let's go back to the Pi-Star. Okay, so we're back here, and we could go to my All-Star node. Just go B band, and we can dual receive. And that's my All-Star node, using an analog box made by G7RPG. So that's it. I thought I'd just show you it myself in action. This ICOM 51 Plus 2 model is just a lovely radio, if you don't break it. And same goes for the Hotspot. And like I said, these CISCO phones, we could end it for now. End call. Go back to Freestar a minute. They're so inexpensive, but they're great fun. If I want to contact one of my ham friends, I just push their phone number. You have presets. You can add this unit so you have lots of presets, and you can have all your friends here in ham radio at the touch of a button, and it's just fun tinkering. So 7.3, thanks for watching my video. Catch you on air, all the best.